Thanks. Ocean Mike 3, Radio Mike. Ocean Mike 3, Radio Mexico. CQDX, over. CQDX, Ocean Mike 3, Radio Mike. CQDX, over.
November 8, November Kilo.
Nancy Kilo, big signal 5 and 9.
QSL, you are 5959 in Michigan, Mexico, India, from November 8, November Kilo.
Yes, let me know about my audio quality, please.
Oh, you sound excellent. Very, very clear and understandable. Over.
Thank you very much. I am very glad now because I'll be using now first time my FTDX 101D and I was not sure about the audio quality. Thank you. 73. Bye-bye.
73. Good day. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Ocean Mike 3, Radio Mike.
See, man, that's what I'm talking about. This is the WPX Playground today. And I love the day or two before a contest, before a major contest, because everybody's all set up. And a lot of times in the DX contest, a lot of times people are... they're not home. They're overseas. They've done a little DX operation, DXpedition of sorts. And they're itching to go, man. And they're dying to make contacts, and they're dying to test their system. And this is just a WPX contest, a prefix contest, but it's one of the biggies, man. And my man here, not to be a dick, but why do you think he asked me what his audio quality was like? I better shut up, man. Feeling like an a-hole for saying that. 73, man. Good luck, Fred, if you operate this one. Kill him, man.